Welcome. Today we're looking at ShittyCarMods. Looks like the seeds grew in its stomach. Poor car. Just looks like a bouldering wall or something. Rattle can paint job and a shirt wearing dog at a local crackhead motel. That's funny. What do y'all think? I think that looks crap, in all honesty. I actually think these are done quite well. Yes, they are indeed. Oh my god, I love Kinder. I'm actually gonna have to save that. I can't wait for this trend to die already. Yeah, me too. I hate when people put that sort of camber on the wheels. It looks absolutely shit. Yeah. Dude pulled up to Lowe's in a white Tahoe. I don't know how you pronounce that car. And painted it rose gold, then proceeded to paint it black, even the windows. And yes, he brought the paint as he went straight from Lowe's. Finally, a ShittyCarMod pays off. He raised the car and now can avoid the floods. Fantastic. What is that? Anime on the side. And a wheel cut in half. Great. Audi SS. Oh! Wonder where that is. Saw this listing on FB and had to bring it here. That looks like a Hot Wheels car. Honestly, don't know what to say. Man's got some feng shui going on in the back of his car. That's jokes. Some guy down the street got himself a new car and now I have to look at this shit every time I get groceries. That is disgusting. Get a life, buddy. The Pepto-Masochist. Please don't bully me, I'll come. Oh my god. Parked outside an elementary school. Oh my god, that is definitely inappropriate for the location. Leg ripper. Bit dangerous. Black smoke matters. I really don't get this trend. Alright, he painted these rims. Oh my god. The reverse. He played an Uno reverse card on this subreddit. Nice mural. Doesn't look very good. Spotted this beauty leaving the gas station. Why would you do that? And what's that in the trunk? Are those speakers? How to run over children in 101. Another one of those. What is this trend? I've not really seen this before. Good fucking lord. What is that? Is that a Porsche? Porsche Panamera with some disgustingly long chariot-like spikes.
Here you go. Holy
That's
shit,
one way to ruin drivability. Another lad with the spikes. Van driver unlocked gold camera after capturing 1,000 kids. Dope. Does this count? Motorbike front, car rear. Yeah, that's definitely ugly as hell. It counts. I believe the appropriate term is Brodozer, but I could be wrong. Found on Facebook. I don't absolutely hate it. Well, I do. It looks really stupid. The bad boy caught my eye on the highway. Spider-Mobile, and it's got a Spider-Man inside as well. That is fantastic. Do you know what? That's not the worst paint job I've seen today. Pontiac Fiero GT F1 edition. I mean, to be fair, it's not the worst. Oh my god, another one of those. Why isn't this mod illegal everywhere? It should be. Why would you do that to a Bentley? Yeah, I mean, those colours don't look very good together. Wow. Alright. Do you know what? If they finish this up, I don't think it would be that bad. Just saying. This was the widest one I've seen. Almost took up the whole lane. Oh, it's those spike wheels again. God damn it. Lamau. Oh my god, I've just realised that's a Toyota Prius turned into a pickup truck. Jesus. Fast and Furious drove 5 miles per hour under the speed limit. Blacked out Ford Focus. That's a nice car, but why would you put something like that on it? Why? The camber, the flag, again, that nasty camber, I hate it. Hate it with a passion. Sounds alright though. Founder's Nosy Silica for sale on Gumtree, complete with garish interior, Northern Ireland. Okay, some of you out here are too critical. I mean, wow, the inside actually looks lovely. Jeez. The back, bit less space, but I think this looks nice inside. From the outside, it's okay. It's okay. The Tesla Model 3 owner transforms car into ultimate Iron Man fan car. Yeah, no, I'm gonna have to pass on this one. Why? Oh my days, that's a trash car, isn't it? No shame, driving around with anime girls inside of his car. My GF saw something interesting. A Barbie Beetle. I mean, it's fitting. I don't have an explanation for this monstrosity. Oh my god. What am I looking at? What the hell am I looking at? Spotted in Denver. Oh yeah, that looks crap. Don't know why would someone do that. What's the difference between pink and purple? Your grip. Poor RX-8. Why would you do that? Obviously your car wasn't gonna fit in the first place with that stupid ass camber. What the fuck Audi, you just got more what the fuck. Oh yeah, that looks just trash, all of it trash. Stick that in the bin. I lifted trucks on the highway freeway. Oh my god, his tyre fell off the rim. That's not good. Have to fix it on the spot. Good one. Nice fitment, bro. Seen in the wild in Queens. Yeah, first of all, that's the wrong way. That should be on the front. Instagram is full of shitty cars. This was one of the worst. It is. It looks awful. Why would you ruin your car like that? Straight out of Ellis Customs. Spray painting a Hyundai Explorer window. Alright, he's got a template. Going over it with his spray paints. Bad. Caption was, if it works, it works. I have no idea what's going on. Spotted the Jaguar today. I mean, whatever rocks your boat, mate. Who came first, the chicken or the egg? Alright, thanks for watching everyone. I think I've had enough of this. Bye.